Sights and Sounds of Edison it's an antique shop that my wife and I kind of started, a little family business after I retired. And so basically it's an outgrowth of my hobby. Growing up in Milan, Thomas Edison has been my hero and hobby my whole life. I collect anything Edison, but probably the most common thread is the Edison phonograph. And the special thing about that is the horns, and most of the horns that were ever made were made of metal. I had collected about 15 years, and I owned 75 of these machines, and I had never seen a wood horn to buy. So I thought the only way I'm going to have one is to make one. And so I just love it. I mean, it's not work, it's just a passion, and I love to work with wood. And we basically developed the entire system, to make these horns, all from scratch. I'm not great in music myself, but the people that are, you really can notice the difference between a wood horn and a metal horn. The metal horn is going to be, a lot tinnier and so forth. And the wood resonates and it's more mellow, and it's just altogether better. We make all kinds, 25 different styles, all different sizes. We make any size from, like 12 inches in diameter, and some of them are panel, some of them are perfectly round and smooth, and a lot of the other things that are added, they're done for two reasons. They're done for aesthetics, and they're also done for strengthening, the horn. And so it's not uncommon to spend 50 hours on any one horn. It's a labor of love. Once I start and make that, to put the first piece or whatever, I can't wait, to see it done. And all the way through the process, the end result of every horn is a little bit different. And so you can't wait, to see it, and you get it built. And then you can't wait till you see the finish on it, because that's, when a lot of the beauty just pops.